In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a color code into Adobe Illustrator in just 5 minutes. Whether you're designing a logo, creating an illustration, or just playing around with some creative projects, knowing how to quickly and accurately input color codes can save you lots of time and ensure you get the exact shade you're looking for. First, let's start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. If you haven't already launched the application, go ahead and do that now. Once Illustrator is up and running, it's time to move on to the next step. You'll want to direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your workspace. There, you'll find a swatch panel. You might recognize it by its colorful array of small squares. What we're looking for is the color picker swatch. Go ahead and double-click on it. This action will open up a new window that allows you to manage and select different colors. It's a handy tool that gives you flexibility in choosing and manipulating colors for your project. Once you've opened the color picker, focus your eyes on the feature that sometimes gets overlooked, the hashtag text box. This little box is your gateway to directly entering color codes. By selecting it, you enable the input of hexadecimal color codes, which are specific 6-character codes used to represent colors on the web and in digital design. Now that you're in the right spot, it's time to enter your hex color code. This code is usually formatted with a pound sign, followed by 6 characters, combining numbers and letters. For example, a classic red might be represented as #FF00. Simply paste or type your hex color code into the text box, and you'll see the color preview change accordingly. It's a straightforward process, but allows for a highly precise selection of colors. Remember, properly pasting in the right code is crucial here, as any typo will lead to a completely different shade. It's always a good idea to double-check your code for accuracy before applying it to your design. Once you're satisfied with the color preview, you can click OK to apply the color to your chosen element in your Illustrator project. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to quickly and easily input a color code in Adobe Illustrator. This method is not only efficient, but ensures consistency across your design elements. As you practice, this process will become second nature, and you'll be able to enhance your digital creations with professional and vibrant color schemes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks on mastering the tools at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!